Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Side Hustle Keisha. And you guys know on this channel, I am definitely going to be showing you, doing videos to show you tips and ways that you can make money from home, whether that's a full-time or part-time job opportunity, whether this job is a side hustle or a home-based business or affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you ways where you can comfortably make money from your home, work virtually, work remote, whatever you want to call it. You won't have to leave the comfort of your house if you keep hanging with me, right? So let me tell you guys, make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Secondly, I want you guys to know on my videos, on my page, if you go anywhere on any of my videos, let me see here. Let's jump right over to one of the videos and you click on the video. When you're watching the video, after you get done watching the video, after you get done watching the video,
Yeah, we don't
after you get done watching the video, after you get done watching the video, you could drop below in the description box. This is the description box. The opportunity that we discuss in the video will be here. And guess what? Down below, all the ways you can get connected with me and stay connected with me. My link tree is here. That will give you everything that I have going on. Any of my free downloads, any of my free webinars, free trainings, that's going to be there. So I wanted to point out a couple of things to you. Every Wednesday, we do this free, amazing webinar to help you get more leads for your business. So if you go into my link tree, you can click on that. But we also do training to help you get more leads and recruits for your business as well. Here's a link for that. I also offer you guys a free 5 amazing benefits and uses of CBD oil. Like, it's free to you. So if you have questions about all this time, drop below in the description box. A whole lot of goodies there for you. And even if you're looking for tools so you can use online, I provided some amazing tools with discounts for you below. So let's just jump into this cool opportunity because I want to get you where the money resides. So let's jump right over to this cool home-based business. This is paparazzi. Now, those of you who don't know, and if you don't know, I'm wondering where you've been, because paparazzi has been around. It's our $5 jewelry obsession, right? So everything that they do is about accessorizing your clothing, and they have things for everybody, for the little misses, for the big misses, and for the gentlemen in our life, right? So this is my friend Dion. She is an independent business owner, and if you are a jewelry queen or a king and you like all things jewelry, this is a great opportunity for you to become a customer. You can become a hostess, or you can become a rep, an independent rep. It's up to you. So just so for those of you who have never shopped paparazzi, I'm just going to take you over to the website really quick so you can see some of their pieces and see the quality of their product. But their thing is all about $5 products, right? And this is some cool, nice pieces. Two-piece, okay, for $5. So I just wanted to share that with you, just so you know. Again, they do have accessories for men and women. They have really cool products. I totally enjoy their stuff, and I've been a customer for a while, you guys. I've been a customer for a while, and they have some amazing pieces. So let's jump right over and just a little bit about paparazzi. Accessorize, feed your $5 habit. Paparazzi accessories are always fabulous, always fashionable, and always $5. With the new styles added daily, you can shop anytime and look like a million without breaking the bank. Find the perfect pop of color. Fall in love with new statement pieces, or step out of your comfort zone and try one of the hottest trends of the season. The choice is yours, okay? So you can start shopping. You can also host a party, and you also can become a representative. You want to join the team. So we're talking about joining the team. So let's get on over to join the team, because that's what we're here for, right? Okay, so say you wanted to join the team. Here's some information. Join the team, paparazzi. It's a party. The power of paparazzi is in its simplicity. Choose your starter kit, pick a location for your launch party, and invite your friends to come and shop. Then do it again and again. New styles are added daily, which means you can always restock with the hottest trends, and your customers will love you for it. Party as often as you want to and earn 35 to 45% commission. How cool is that? So work from home, be your own boss, 35 to 45% commission with flexible hours, all that for $5. So let's start the party. Let's get this party started. So how it works, someone will find a consultant, pick a starter kit, and start the party. Well, you found a consultant. We got Dion. She's back up here at the top. All you have to do is click on the link provided below in the description box, and you're connected to Dion. And you can communicate with her here as well. And she'll be more than happy to train you and guide you through your paparazzi adventure, your new journey, right? So you pick a starter kit, you choose our premium pack, $99, which is a small home party, to they have a $299 or $499. So I told you guys I was bringing you opportunities that you could start for less than $200. There it is, your small home party kit. But hey, if you want to go for it, go ahead. Go for it and get the $500 kit, $499, right? So let's find out what you get in your pack. The preview pack, you would get 35 pieces of jewelry, and it retails for $175. And that's, you pay $99. So there you are. You started a business for $99. Or if you want more product, you think you got more friends and family, they're going to be snatching that stuff off your hands and buying and sharing with their friends, you need 120 pieces. You're going to get 120 pieces for $299. All right, and that's valued at $600. So if you have a large party kit, that large party kit is $499. You're gonna get 200 pieces of jewelry and a retail value at $1,000. Okay, so let's jump into their compensation plan. Let's find out what paparazzi is all about. So let's jump into this and get a little closer. So you start out as a consultant. You have your retail. You're gonna earn money. Okay, so you're gonna earn money off of everything you sell, just as a consultant. But as you start to grow and do these parties, and these people love this jewelry and they fall in love with it, and they decide, hey, I think I could do this too. This is where you become a star consultant, and then you make 5% on whatever your team does, right? Then when you get more people, you go from 5 to 10%, and then the next level you make 5%. So this is when a little bit more money starts coming in. So you can really grow your business here and make money not only on your efforts but other people's efforts, right? So let's jump back over to our join now. I want to get a little bit more information for you guys so you guys know how you could come over here and just get signed up. So you would, like you said, choose your sponsor. There's Dion right there. You could choose Dion. She'll be more than happy to guide you through your paparazzi journey and help you make choices and get you trained and answer any questions for you. So then you would come here and choose a kick and you would check out. And that is it. Paparazzi is amazing. It's been around for a while. I love the jewelry. The jewelry is gorgeous. I still have some pieces since the last time I purchased that I haven't even worn. That's when I buy, I don't buy one, I buy multiple pieces. I'm getting ready for that other outfit I have in my closet that I haven't worn with this jewelry now that I haven't worn. Because guess what? We've been in a pandemic and we've been inside, but guess what? We're going back out. And when we go out, we're going to look good. So if you guys are interested in paparazzi, I think it's a great opportunity for you to make money from the comfort of your home. Remember, I tell you all the time, you could do online parties. Facebook is amazing for online parties. Or you can just do pop-up shops from your Facebook page on Wednesdays and Fridays. You can say, I'm going to be popping up and I'm doing, you sip and shop with your friends and just jump on live and start having a party. Pull out 10 pieces. It don't have to be 50 or 60 pieces. Pull out 10 pieces and do a live and just say, hey, if you watch the replay, let me know in the comments if you've seen anything you like, and just say the number of the item that I showed in the video and it's yours, right? So, or you can offer your friends a virtual girl time, galentines with their girlfriends. And you're going to be having paparazzi. Everybody bring their own dish to their virtual party. They can jump on a Zoom or they can just watch it live from one of your Facebook and let's shop. So that's my time, you guys. I wanted to share this amazing opportunity with you because I know so many ladies are passionate about different things, fashion, jewelry, makeup, whatever it may be. I'm going to bring you cool opportunities to help you fulfill your goals, whether that's supplementing your income or finding a whole new career. I'm going to post jobs. I'm going to post opportunities for you. Make sure you drop below in the description box so you can stay connected with me. And make sure you reach out to my girl, Dion, if you're interested in joining paparazzi. See you guys in my next video. Have a good night. Bye-bye.